In meat production, vast amounts of data are collected throughout the entire supply chain. Everything from data about the farm and the animal's identity to parameters related to animal welfare and food safety. However, the ability to share this data is currently limited due to inadequate data infrastructure and concerns about data security. Digital solutions in form of decentralized systems can facilitate secure information sharing, which in turn can improve traceability, coordination, and regulatory controls within the meat supply chain. This film demonstrates Flex, a concept for a data sharing platform in the meat supply chain based on decentralized systems. The technology is built on an edge-based hybrid solution, where local data is stored on the edge while links to the shared data are recorded in time-stamped permanent blocks on the blockchain. By keeping copies of the data in multiple locations, the risk of data loss is reduced. An essential component of the Flex concept is electronic ID tagging, EID, of animals. EID enables an automatic link between the animal's ID and data from various sources, such as census measurements or medical treatments. The farmers own their own data, which can easily be shared when needed. For example, during transport, change of ownership or slaughter, reducing administrative work. Each new event generates new data that is automatically added to the system. Only authorized users have access to specific data, ensuring confidentiality and increasing trust in the system. Prior to veterinary inspections, the farmer can share information with the veterinarian in advance about key metrics and previous treatments. The animal's medical records and the information about the farmer's completed courses in conditional use of veterinary medicines are securely stored in the system, making follow-up easier and ensuring privacy. Similarly, an animal welfare officer can access relevant data, which streamlines the work of the authorities. Additionally, any certifications can be easily tracked and information can be shared with other quality programs. When the animals reach slaughter weight, the correct animals can easily be identified. The system checks that the animal's transporter and vehicle meet legal requirements, such as certificate of competence and permits. Documentation can be shared digitally with authorities and the receiving slaughterhouse. The food agency can optimize its inspections at the slaughterhouse based on the animal's historical health data, which facilitates good animal welfare and high food safety standards. Data recorded in Flex can be shared between different stakeholders according to predefined rules, if needed in an aggregated and anonymized form. Various events related to the animals and the meat are time-stamped, making fraud more difficult and making it easier to identify any mistakes. Flex also enables coordination between the different authorities and facilitates the feedback of data from official inspections and the slaughterhouse's carcass quality classifications to previous actors in the chain, such as farmers. In summary, Flex offers several advantages. Fast and secure animal identification with access to full history and improved traceability, which is crucial for quick action in cases such as disease outbreaks. More efficient monitoring of animal growth and health, with the ability to share information between veterinarians and authorities. Increased transparency, leading to greater customer confidence and improved feedback within the meat value chain. Reduced administration through the streamlining of workflows and regulatory processes. Lower vulnerability and reduced risk of data loss through decentralized storage. Flex makes data along the meat supply chain accessible to multiple stakeholders, which can enhance production, increase profitability, and strengthen the trust in Swedish meat production.